everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarala. Today in this video I'm going to share something exciting news for you guys, which is I'm going to upload 7 days challenge videos. Okay, so I have been planning for a very long time to upload these 7 days challenge videos, but I couldn't do it because of my work, because of my studies. But I decided today that I want to take this challenge anyway. Why I started this 7 days challenge means because for who are beginners, for who are intermediate persons, they are trying to speak this language, right? But they don't know how to start. But if in case they are started their English, but they stop because they don't have any motivation while they are speaking. Some people are criticizes them, so that they are not continuing their journey. Okay, so for that people, for who are initial stage trying to speak this language, for them I am going to come up with a days challenge videos. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this 7 days means I'll definitely explain about it in a couple of minutes. But before we jump into the video, I want to ask one thing, guys. So please give it a like and share it with your friends who are trying to improve their English, who wants to start their speaking journey. So please share it with them so that it would be very helpful for them, right? And also do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notifications. Without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the video. 7 days challenge, what we are going to learn and what we are going to gain. Let me just tell you in a couple of minutes, but before that I want to explain one thing, guys, which is in this 7 days we are going to become a fluent speaker or not. So this is your doubt, right? Let me clear it first. We are not going to become fluent in English in 7 days. We are not. Okay, I'm not discouraging anyone here. I'm telling the truth and it is the reality. So be practical. Whenever you think, just be practical. It doesn't work out in 7 days, but there is an improvement. Okay, so there is an improvement in this 7 days. I'm going to tell you what you are going to improve. Okay, so you just keep aside about this topic. Okay, just in this 7 days we are going to learn, we are going to improve something on the other in English. Okay, that is the only thing we should concentrate. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this 7 days means, yes, of course, daily I can upload every single video, what we are going to do and what are the tasks we are going to do every single day. There is nothing any difficulties in it, guys. So it is completely easy and you can do it very easily. You can do every single task very easily. You don't need any partner to speak this language. You don't need anyone. While I am explaining the things, that the task, what I'm going to explain in that particular video, I'm going to give a demo on it so that it would be useful to you how to do it. Right, so I'm going to give a demo on it. I want to know that who are interested in this particular challenge, guys, in the form of comments. If you are really interested on it, so do let me know in the form of comments, like I'm ready or I'm already in. So if you are commenting like this, so that I know who are really interested to do these challenges. Okay, so that I have that confidence. Yes, a lot of people are really want to learn this language, so I want to do something more interesting content, so I have that confidence. Okay, so do let me know in the form of comments. And yes, what we are going to learn in this 7 days, right, and what we are going to achieve means, so we can achieve listening skills and also we can improve our speaking skills, and also we have that confidence to speak this language. So these things we can enhance in this 7 days challenge. Okay, but when you are really dedicated on this challenge, then only you can achieve it. Because if you are not interested, if you are not ready to do any challenges in your life, so one day you definitely regret about yourself. Okay, so because nowadays English is essential for every single person, right? If you want to talk with anyone nowadays, English is essential. All right, so for that you have to start your English journey. If you do practice every single day, then it will become a habit to speak this language. There is one saying in pop culture, right? A lot of native speakers are saying that I live English, I walk English, I talk English, right? So like that you can immerse yourself when you are learning any language or any skill. Just you can immerse yourself, just you have to love that skill whatever you learning, then only you can enjoy that process. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you guys, if you do this challenge or not, I don't have any problem, because I do it every single day, and who are interested, who are really trying to improve their English, they definitely do it, right? And if you are watching any video, you can try to implement the steps what they are saying in that particular video. Okay, so if you are watching my video, then you can spend at least 10 minutes to practice your English. That highly enough. Okay, so every single day I am going to upload a video, so I'll tell you that what you are going to do, and I'll give a demo on it, and at the end of the video we are going to learn a word every single day. Okay, I'm just going to give only one word. Along with you, I'm going to learn that word, and we are going to make a lot of sentences with it. So only one word. Okay, only one word, that's highly enough for a day. Okay, so if you're really interested to learn more, then go ahead, I'm really happy for that. Okay, in initial stage, if you're not putting some efforts, then it is really hard to learn this language. Okay, so try to take baby steps. Okay, so then it would be very easy to speak this language, guys. Okay, so if you are not doing today, then one day you definitely suffer, or else you can regret about yourself that day, if I took that challenge, or else if I practice my English now, I'm able to speak this language. Don't regret like that. So from today onwards, you can start to speak this language. But one more thing I want to tell you guys, you can lie to me, or else you can lie to people, but you can't lie to God, or else you cannot lie to your soul. Okay, so be honest with yourself whenever you are starting anything. Okay, so be honest with yourself and dedicatedly do it, any work, you will definitely succeed in your life. Okay, and one more thing, whenever you do something on the other, you can keep saying to your brain that I am learning something new today, I'm learning something that will help me in life. Okay, so you just keep said to yourself. Okay, so that is the right mindset, guys. Okay, so from today onwards, I am going to upload my daily videos, no matter how tough it is, definitely I am going to upload. Okay, so daily you can put the comments as well, so that I know who are really doing these challenges. Okay, you just keep said to yourself that in a funny way, yes, I can walk English, I can speak English, I can talk English, like that you can say to yourself. Yes, you can boost up yourself, then you will get motivated. Okay, so yes, enjoy it when you are practicing your English. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll come up with another video. Till then, take care of yourselves, and if you think you like the video, and if you like the video, you know what you have to do, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to upload daily videos, so stay tuned for those videos. Okay, so bye bye.